boys and girls, this is Felix speaking. Just give you a little tutorial on how to connect to your DGA 500 on your GSUs. This collects DGA sampling for all 3 GSUs in the plant. So you'll see, you go into your laptop. First, let's look at the connections. So you connect right there where it says USB connection. You use a micro USB. From there, you go into any port, and the system automatically finds the port that you're using. There's 2 softwares or 2 programs to run with. If you go with TransConnect, this one is pretty much to make any changes to alarm set points. There's other things you can do there, but right now the way you connect is you're just going to hit here, batch up energy. You'll find it. You double click on it, and it's going to connect to the DGA. It's pretty cool. Quick connection. Okay, so it pops up. It tells you everything about it. If there's any caution indicators, any alarm indicators, if there's a service indicator, it tells you what relay outputs are picked up, and you can go ahead and download measurements, and you can start a measurement. So the idea of this is, when we look at this, these are the actual values of the last measurement it took. That was date and time, let's say an hour ago. You can schedule, right now we have it where in normal mode, if there's no alarms present, it's going to take a sample every day, every 24 hours. If it's in caution mode, it's going to take a sample every 4 hours. And if it's in alarm mode, it's going to take a sample every hour. I would like to keep it like that. I would not like to change it. I think that's the proper settings we want to use. Also in alarms, you'll notice that in caution mode, you have hydrogen at 100 ppm, acetylene at 2, ethylene at 50, methane at 120, carbon monoxide. All those settings are there. And then on alarm mode, the one when it's going to take every hour, you'll see that it's a little 120, 3, and 60. So you can change communication formats. You can do everything on this one. But the proper one to use to look at trends and stuff like that is I minimize here, and I go to Perception Express. Both of those softwares they're pinned on the taskbar. So I double click on Perception Desktop, and it says units, and I click on units, and you see there's batch operating GSU2, 1YTF Charlie, that would be your steamer. Alpha's not there yet because we're going to install a new system on number 1. So I go ahead, and when I click on that one, automatically it's going to give me a trend and a chart. I can do whatever I want with this. I can go to statuses, I can go total gas accumulation, I can have my trend right here. I can pick dates, whatever I want to do. I can reset dates. This is a really good format. Then on this, the good thing about this one, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm talking to the Costco guy about this local voltage on the air compressor. I need your expert. Got him in by the air compressor please.
10-4 will be there in 2 minutes. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so now when you right click on that icon, it gives you an option to export. So what you do is you go ahead and export properties, measurements, or all data, and then you can get that. And if, let's say, anybody wants to review the data, and we have an event, you show a little bit more hydrogen, or hopefully no acetylene, then if they ask for a report from this, then you can get it from there. It's a very good tool to use. Like I said, trending the charts, it gives you all the options. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to tell you right here. But yeah, the two software is going to be pinned on the taskbar. Pretty easy connection, and you'll start with, like I said, with TransConnect. It's a lot easier. Goodbye.